Okay, what's up guys and welcome back. Back to another recording. You can see new glasses. Yeah, I have to do it in the kitchen. All of my other rooms aren't light enough, but yeah, I got new glasses, so this is what I'm going to be looking like in my videos, so hope you like them. Post in the comments if you do like them. Just I'm going to be doing a Let's Play on Metroid Prime 3 pretty soon. I haven't gotten very far, but anyways, just I'm gonna do some reviews, maybe if I get the chance to. I've had a lot of inspiration on D and Jared has inspired me to do reviews, and so has PBG. So I'm gonna do review games like the ones that we have. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna this video. So hope you enjoyed. Bye.